When we're talking about a resistance weld, we're talking about fusion. Fusion is where we take the base metals, we bring them up to a plastic state or molten condition, and we actually forge or fuse those molecules together. When we have a true fusion weld, when those molecules are fused together, that's when we have a good weld. So if my weld isn't holding, does that mean the weld is breaking? Does that mean that it's not of sufficient size or not sufficient strength? So you have to be really clear when you're asking about is it a bad weld. You have to differentiate what part of that weld. Is it lack of fusion, lack of size, lack of strength? But when you're looking at those different factors, there's a lot of things that will affect each one of those variables that you have to look at separately.